Welcome in our Vidyakunj Career Academy. Earlier also you have learned how to make square given number, yes or no. In this session also you are going to see here how to make square, yes or no, by using duplex method. Which method we are using here? Duplex method. To understand duplex method, this duplex method you can use here any number for any number of digit, any digit number you can use for any digit number you can use to make square, yes or no. See here, I have written here duplex method. Okay, this method we are going to follow here, yes or no. Here one digit, single digit means single, a square, double digit ab, 2ab. Now triple digit abc, abc means here 2ac plus b square, four digit abcd is equal to 2ad plus 2bc. Here 5 digit means 2ae, 2bde, c square. Here 6 digit means 2af, 2be and 2cd. Now see here this formation, how they have formed this rule. See here 2ac b square. Yes. Now here 2ad 2cb. Okay. Now here also see 2ae, 2bd and remaining square, c square, 2af, 2be, 2cd. Got it here? You can use this method for any number, any digit number. Yes or no? See here, I will take 3 digit number and how to do that 3 digit number square. Okay? See, I will take here 123. This is 3 digit number. Yes. Now we are using here, we are making here square of this number. Okay. In this number, first one we have to consider here A and B and C. Okay. Now we are going to do here. A means see here. A means what is that? May I write in this way? Okay. Okay. A means 1. 1 square, 1 only. Yes or no? 1 square, 1 only. Then AB. Here in this 2AB. 2AB means 2 we have to put as it is. 2. A means 1. B means 2. Here our answer will be 4 only. Yes or no? C. Now next. 2ABC. In this you know what is the rule here? 2AC plus B square. Yes or no? C here. 2AC. It means I have to write here 2. A means 1. C means C here. 3 plus B square. B square means B means 2. 2 square. See here. Do multiplication. 2 1 the 2. 2 3 the 6. And here this one. 2 square is 4. Here 6 plus 4 is 10. Yes or no? Yes. Now next one. 3 digit. Finish here. 3 digit. Now after 3 digit what we have to do? This digit we have to cross out one by one. Okay. First I will cross this one. I will cross this one and then I will do here. Okay. Then I will do here. Last one I have to take here. After doing this, which number will remain here? In this case, see here, AB. AB means I will write here number also. It is better to understand. Okay, yes or no? Then I have to write here its rule. 2AB. Yes or no? In this 2AB means this is A. This is A and this is B. Yes or no? Now I have to write here 2. A means 1 B means 2. Its answer will be 4 only. Yes or no? Again. Again we have to cross this third one. Sorry, second one. Then remain only 1. A square. A square means 1 square. Yes or no? Is equal to 1. Got it here? This answer I have written. Then how do you write in the square form? We have to write from right side. Write from right side. See, I will write here answer, its answer. Its answer I am going to write first one 1. If there is 2-digit number, we have to carry to the next. Okay. Written 1 from right side, we have to write. Now next 4. Then here 10. Then I will write here 0. 1 will be carried to the next. Okay. Here is 4. 4 plus 1. Here I will write here 1. Okay. 4 plus 1, 5. And then this is 1. It is its answer. Got it? This is its answer. I have done its square. Yes or no? This is its square. I hope you understood. Yes or no? See, I will take another digit number. Here 3-digit number I have taken. Yes or no? Now I will take here 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, I have taken 4-digit number. In this case, I have to write here a square. Yes, even AB I have written. I will write here A, B, C, D. Okay, AB, yes, up to 3-digit. Okay. Okay, now here I have to check because here is 3-digit number. Here I have to write A, B, C. A, B, C, D. In this case, what we have to do? We have to do this one. Okay. 2 AD plus 2 BC is equal to, we have to write 2 A means 1, D means, see here 4 plus here 2 as it is I will write, B means 2 and C means 3. Okay, now we have to do multiplication. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Yes or no? Now here 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Its answer 20. Yes or no? Okay. Now 4 digit done. Then we have to cross this one, last one. Then we have to do this one. Already we have done here. Yes or no? Already we have done. A, B, C. A, B, C. In this case, 2 AC plus B square. Yes or no? Already we have done here. This one. 2, 1, C means 3 plus B square, 2 square. Yes or no? Here will be 6 plus 4, 10. Yes or no? Then next. Here is not required to do again, already we have done here. Yet I will write here because you have to understand. So that AB. Now I have to cross here this 3. Then we have to do 2 AB. 2 AB. 2 A means 1, B means 2 is equal to 4. Yes or no? Now, last one, we have to cross this one also. Yes or no? Then I have to write here A square, it means 1 square is equal to 1. This is our answer. Okay? These things we have to solve from right side. We have to present answer from the right side. Okay? Now I will write here answer. Here only I will write. Okay, this is, I am going to write here answer. This one 1. I have to write. This 4. This one 10. If it is 10, 2-digit number, this 10-digit number we have to carry to the next number. Yes, I have to write here 0. Here 20, 20 becomes 21. I will write here carry also. Here carry 1 is a carry. Okay. Now here 20, 20, 20 plus 1, 21. Here 2 carry. Okay. Now here 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So I have to write here 2 and 1 carry. Here will be 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Then it is 1. This is our answer. I will write here without carry. This is our answer of this. Okay. This is square of this number square. Yes or no? We have taken out how to, we have done here square of the given 4-digit number. Which is that 4-digit number? 1234. Like this, you can use here this method, duplex method, and you can do here, you can make here square. Okay. Then I have used here 4-digit number. Yes or no? Then I will use here 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5-digit number. This is our 5-digit number. A, B, C, D and E. Up to 4-digit number we have done. Then we have to do further 5-digit I have taken. Yes or no? So I will write here A, B, C, D, E. Okay. 2 AE plus 2 BD plus C square. Okay. Then we have to do 2 AE. You can do in your mind. 2. A means 1. Okay. 2 into 1, 2 only. And then into E. It means 2 into 5, 10. Yes or no? Now 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 4, 16. Now plus C square. It is 3. 3 square, 9. In this way you can do. Okay. Then we have to do plus here. 9 plus 6, 15. 1 carry. And here 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. This is our answer. Now I will not do here further because we have to cross one by one and then write the answer. Yes or no? Then I will do here, I will write here direct answer. Okay, how it is see. It means here again we are decreasing one letter, one number. So it is better I will write this one. I am going to start here to write. Okay, I will write here with carry and below I will write without carry also. Okay, I have to write from right side. 1, 4, 10 means 0, 1 carry, and here 20, 20 plus 1, 21, 2 carry. Okay, 35, 35 plus 2, 37, then 7 here, 3 carry, and again I have to go backward. Yes or no? This is 4-digit number. So here 20, 20 plus 3, 20 plus 3, 23, 2 carry. Then again 10. Yes or no? 10 plus 2, 12, 1 carry. And here again 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5, here 1. This is its answer. Okay. Then I will write here below without carry number. Maybe you confuse for this. So here what is our answer? 15 lakh 23,000 15 lakh. No. 23 lakh. Okay, this is crore. 15 crore 23 lakh 71, 41. This is its answer. Okay. Then I will make here square. Then you can understand here. Yes or no? This is its answer. Understood? Yes. Now I have done 50 5-digit number. You can do here 6-digit number also. You can take any number and use this rule. If here further also, if you add here number of digits, here I have used 6. Then if you write here 7, how we have to make rule I have explained here. Yes or no? In this way only you have to write. Now I will take here 6-digit number. Here I have to write 6. I have written 6 and we are going to take out its square. Here. Okay. Then I have written. Up to 5-digit number we have done. I will not do. That only we have to carry. That only we have to use. A, B, C, D, E, F. Yes. Now we have to write. A, F plus C here. A, F. A, B, E plus A, C, D. This is our rule. Okay. Now, 2 means 2. A means 1. 2 into 1, 2 only. And here 6. 2 into 6, 12. 2 means 2. Then B means 2. 2 into 2, 4. And E means, yeah, 4 into 5. 4 into 5. Here is E. 4 into 5 will be 20. Yes or no? Now, 2. 2 into C. 3. 2 into 3. 6. 6 into D. 6 into 4. It means 24. Yes or no? We have to add it here. 2 plus 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Yes. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. I have written this one. Now, we have to do here. I will write here square of this number. Yes or no? I think I haven't placed here. I will write here in black color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. First of all, I will write here with carry number. Okay. I have to start from this. From right side. Okay. 1, 4. Here 10 means 0. 1 carry. Here 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 2 carry. Here 35. 35 plus 2, 37. 3 carry. 56. 56 plus 3, 59. Okay. 59. 5 carry. Again I have to take here back. We have to go back one by one. We have to cross now. See here 5-digit number, so that. Okay. 35. 35 plus 5, 40. 4, 0, 4 carry. Then here 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 2 carry. Here 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 1 carry. And 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Here 1 as it is. Yes. I will write here below number. Okay. I will circle these are carry number. Okay. Then I will write here its answer. Okay. This is our answer of this number square. In this way you can take out, you can make square of any given digit number. 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number. There is no matter. Yes or no? You have to do. Then I will give here one number you have to do. Okay. As homework I will give you here. You have to do. If you have any query, you have to put your query below my video. Okay. See. This one number you have to make square. 4-digit number. 5-digit number. Six-digit number. I have given here one more number. This is 7-digit number. Yes, 7-digit number. You have to do. If you have any query regarding this, you have to put your query below my video. I will help you. Thank you.